G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here, and today we have the 2021 Aprilia Factory RSV4 machine in our hot little hands, and I cannot wait until we can jump into some of the specifications and features that this model has to offer. Now, as you can see, this motorcycle comes with brand new bodywork and styling and heaps of features as well, like the inverted swing arm and the new electronics in this machine. Now, the top speed of this bike is 299 kilometers. So if you need to get to Brisbane in 3 hours and 6 minutes, then this is the bike for you. Now, I'm going to jump straight into those specifications and features, and let's have a look at what this machine has to offer. Now, the new inverted swing arm is now under brace, similar to a Moto GP racer's machine. It weighs 600 grams less and is 30% more rigid around the rear spindle. Aprilia has stated that its subsequent lower center of gravity improves stability, handling, and motivates the rear tyre to dig into the tarmac. Now, the seating position definitely favours all riders and encourages taller riders to enjoy the 9mm low seat, with the pegs being dropped by 10mm. Now, Aprilia states that these changes place you inside the bike instead of being perched on top of it. Moving on over to the engine, the biggest change in this 2021 engine is that it grows from 1077cc to 1099cc. Now, the peak power is delivered at 200 RPM lower in the revs at 13,000 RPM, and it also comes with a 400 gram lighter modified exhaust with ceramic tech catalysts. Now, the nose of this motorcycle, along with the LED headlights, are a new feature that combine well with the lower fairings that are cut back to expose the front wheel. Now, I am a Moto GP fan, and these motorcycles are looking more and more like the racing machines that we see on our screens and what the Spargo and the rest of the guys are riding. I love the front fairings of these motorcycles with that classic Aprilia red to them as well. The fuel tank has also been reshaped and helps you improve your race tuck on the track, and the tail unit has been slimmed down. It comes with electronic Öhlins fork tops, a larger 5-inch coloured dash, which is brighter and easier to read than before. Now, the TFT colour screen dash offers you traction, slide, wheelie, and new engine braking control, which are all adjustable. Same as the ABS function. It comes with 6 riding modes to choose from. 3 for the road and 3 for the track, including 2 customizable settings. Now, this motorcycle comes with all of the added Aprilia bits and bobs, such as the Brembo stylemas, forged alloy wheels, and returned Öhlins electronic suspension. The mirrors, pillion pegs, and number plate bracket can all be undone and removed easily for when you take this beast to the track. Now, a couple of quick specs for this motorcycle. The fuel capacity is 17.9 litres, the seat height is at 845mm, the bike weighs 202 kilograms, the front suspension is a semi-active Öhlins 43mm USD forks, and the rear suspension is a semi-active Öhlins single shock. And there you have it, folks, the 2021 RSV4 Aprilia factory machine is finally here. Now, make sure you come and check it out at our Parramatta location. Also, give one of our sales representatives a call. I will leave the number in the comment section below. Now, I'm Tom from Bikebiz, and thank you for joining me in the unveiling of this fantastic machine, and I'll see you at the store.